Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am going to make caramel pudding, that is mango caramel pudding. And here is the caramelized sugar. So I have taken 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water. Then I melted till that became to this consistency, and before this could I added a little bit of butter to this so it doesn't get stuck and it will stop cooking. So I can use this multi-purpose. Okay, so now we will start the procedure. So first thing, we have this caramelized sugar. So I will put this in this. And keep this, and remaining I will keep in this only. So then this is in one container. So please keep watching, and this will now remain. It will get cold, so it will be this. So it depends how you want black or you want brown, it up to you. So I have made this. So now I will keep it aside. Both this, if this is little bit extra, then you can remove and keep it aside, but I will be needing this. So now it has to get cold. Let it come to room temperature. Fine. So I am doing mango caramel. So for that we need mango. So I have taken 1 mango, and we will have to take pulp out of it. Now I am using 3 eggs and 1 this size of glass of milk. So let's remove the pulp. I have already removed. We need a mixer, and then I will add in this. And we will add this also in this. Any type of mango what is available in the market. So one I will be doing in cooker, that is that the mango one I am going to do it in cooker, like steam it in cooker. You can do it in your oven too. And now we will have to grind this all together. So this mango pulp, egg, sugar, and 1 cup of, that is 1 glass of milk. Milkmaid, if you want to add, you can add, up to you, or you can just add the sugar. So sugar we will put like 1 glass of milk. So accordingly we will put like around 4 tablespoons of sugar in that. So I am going to use this bowl, and I am going to add sugar in that. Okay, so this goes here, and we have to add our milk. So this is warm milk, not hot and not very cold also. So here it goes. And let's pick our caramel, this, and grind this. So now I'll add in this. we will keep it in our cooker. So I'll keep this aside. Tap this. Take out the bubbles. So here it is. Now we will put it in the cooker and let it. I have not put condensed milk in this, okay? So now we will cover this with silver foil and then we will keep it on in cooker for 25 minutes. We'll cover this. And I put water in this, and for 25 minutes we will cook this, okay? So 25 to 30 minutes actually. So you will have to check later. So I'll cover this and cook this. Let the city be, okay? And so once the first city comes on high flame, then we will keep it for lower. So this is recipe of my brother actually. He loves to do caramel pudding. He is also chef. Now let it get this for around 25 to 30 minutes. Please keep the timing, okay? And then I will show you after that. After 25 to 30 minutes, let it get cool, let the whistle pressure goes down. Then you open up the cooker and then you can demold it that moment and freeze it, or whenever you can just directly keep the vessel in the fridge, and whenever you want to demold it, you can cut it and do it whichever way you want. Okay, thank you so much. I will show you the result also later. So let it get cooked now. Thank you. So this is mango caramel pudding. So hope you have understood. Everybody knows to do caramel pudding. Everybody knows how to do caramel sugar. So today what I said, adding butter will give you, like if you want to make like 2 caramel puddings, then you need like 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water. Just dissolve the sugar and then let it get, this come to that when it changes the color. Once it starts changing the color, add the butter. Butter is like half teaspoon of butter. So it will stop cooking further. It will not get hard or stuck like that. Okay. So hope you will enjoy this caramel pudding. Thank you. Mango caramel pudding. So this is the mango pudding which was there in the refrigerator or fridge. So now we will turn this. Just putting a knife. So this is my mango pudding. It looks so nice. So and take a have a look. I will cut this and see how it is. So here it is. The caramelized nice sugar. I will taste this one. something different, but it's tasty. Thank you so much for watching this, and you can garnish it with mango and have it. Thank you. So nice. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching.